Hello, first robot. Bảo vệ. This is my viral shot. This is my baby. And this is my baby. How about it? Hiccups. Hiccups. Oh, hiccups. Papa and short mommy and daddy all love listen to it. And Papa and short can watch. Mommy, can we go out to play? You can go out to play. You finish the first. Short, don't treat your shoes quickly. Short drinks too quickly, and now he has hiccups. Can we go out to play now, Mommy? But not Short, but hiccup. But Short is hiccup. But good, Mommy. All right, do you go out to play? But look after George. Papa and George love to play in the garden. George, I'm sure you can catch this. George, please stop hiccup. George! Now you throw the ball to me and I will have to catch it. Hiccup. George! Oh dear, George hiccuped the sporting again. George, I know of your hiccups. You high say. Drop your socks and drop your tummy. Now, the hiccups are good. Hey, Papa, our hiccups are short. George, you're doing all right. I know get your hiccups. But show up and down 3 times and 1 left. Now, roll your arm up and down and stick your tongue out. And now, turn around to your eye and turn around quickly. Papa, Neil is working short. Short will sick has hiccups. I know, but your hiccup is broke short. Short, I'm going to scare you, but you really remember the game you not use hiccups. Remember, it is times first scary. Roar! Papa, you should do this. Only little. Sorry, Mommy, but just Short was hiccup. Short is 3 cups of gold. Here, somebody big with 2 bigger some chips. Short pushing again too quickly and what we have to. I'm gonna guess you too quickly. You want to. Bye, see you soon.